Alright, let's get into our first shed session. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn our C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now if we add numbers to each of those scale degrees, we'll be able to come up with something that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. Now the reason I said 8 or 1 on this C over here is because if we continue going on the keyboard, it's like we're starting all over again. Because each octave is just repeating of wherever we started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I call it the 8 because that's where I'm ending. Now if we add the chords that belong to each of those scale degrees, we could actually start working with progressions, which is just moving from chord to chord. So from C, the C major chord is made out of C, E, and G, D minor, D, F, and A. E minor is E, G, and B. F major is F, A, and C. G is G, B, D. A minor is A, C, E. B diminished is B, D, F. And then we end again in the C major chord. Now when we're playing, it's hard for us to go C major, E minor, A minor. It's easier for us to just say 1, 3, 6, because it's just, if we all have the common knowledge of what it is where we're going and what we're doing when we call out the chords, then it's easier for us to know where we're going. For example, some songs may require for us to go from the C to A minor, D minor, G, C. Imagine we're playing a song that requires that. For example, if we play like a old hymn where it's really right, it would be hard for me to be C major, A minor, D minor, G major, C major. Because it happens that sometimes I can't talk when I'm playing. It's easier for me to just say 1, 6, 2, 5, 1, right? Which is 1, 6, 2, 5, 1. Why can I call that out? Because my 1 is my C major. My 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor. Now if you notice, I went this way instead of going this way. Why? Because it's easier for me, and remember what I said, the octaves repeat. So if my 6 is over here, that means I have a 6 here, and it's easier for me to go from here to here than from here to here. So that's why I don't jump too high or too low, because I'm just trying to stay within the range that allows me the flexibility to just be able to play the chords. So I go from my 1, C major, my 6, A minor, my 2 is D minor, so then I play a D minor there. Then I go to G, which is my 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G, and then I end back in C. So a simplified version of what I just did was 1, 6, 2, 5, 1. Now the same thing would go if I have to play going chromatically in the scale this way. If a song requires me to go C major, D minor, E minor, F, it's easier for me to say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's basically the idea of what we're talking about when we're using numbers. When we use numbers, it's easier for us to call it out, and that way everybody knows where we're going. Thank you, and I hope you were blessed by this video.